Terms and conditions. Legal notice. The publisher has tried to be as accurate and complete as possible in the creation of this report, notwithstanding the fact that has does not warranted or represent at any time that the content within are accurate due to the rapidly changing nature of the internet. While all attempts have been made to verify information provided in this publication, the publisher assumed no responsibility for errors, omissions, or country interpretation of the subject matter herein. Any perceived slight of specific person, peoples, or organizations or unintentionally. In particular advice book, like anything else in life, there are no guarantors of income made reader or cautions to rely on their own judgment about their individual circumstance to act accordingly. This book is not intended for use or a source of legal, business, accounting, or financial advice. All reader are advised to seek service of competent professional in legal, business, accounting, and finance field. You are encouraged to print this book for easy reading. Table of content. Forward. Chapter 1. Traffic and arts basis. Chapter 2. Using social media. Chapter 3. Using content. Chapter 4. Using a press release. Chapter 5. Buying ads. Chapter 6. Free ads. Chapter 7. How your business suffers if you don't have customer. Warping up. When it comes to starting an online business with keeping the startup cost minimal, one of the way to get some attention to the site is through traffic. This is basically a system where site are viewed in the exchange process that ensure the individual site is part of the viewing arrangement. Get all the info you need here. Online ads and web traffic. Chapter 1. Traffic and ads basis. Synopsis. This form is of drawing interest to a site is both effective to certain extent and also quite inexpensive, as it usually does not require any significant sign-up fees. There are also sites that also pay for visit, though the sum is also insignificantly small. There are also offers received through emails that encouraging the individual to click on the link adds that these two help to drive traffic to the site quite effectively, as most would be not interested view the offer featured. The basis. Being as active online suffer also help to drive traffic to the individual site, as there are some traffic exchange sites that cater to and encourage this sort of viewing style. This is one way of being able to have a good understanding of what is popular and what is not in the online business area. For those who use art to gain future visibility for their product, the online marketing style is also good platform for getting this. Due to the almost unlimited possibility and with the ability to reach the target audience anytime and anywhere that has internet connections, of course this use of the arts has proven it is meritorious. In various ways to internet advertising can be rather profitable, as it is a faster and easier way to keep track of the progress of the business online with the use of various supporting tools. Options such as blog, where there is the platform to interact with possible prospect who have a potential of the eventually become loyal customer, is a very effective way to getting the necessary interest in the business, product or service being offered. Chapter 2. Using social media. Synopsis. Social media is in fact gaining phenomenal popularity for the current generation, and in most cases it seems to be the only mode of communication for those immersed into the online world. Business and leisure activities are both mostly conducted online, thus creating a wealth of resources available to be tapped into. Social side. There follow are several reasons why the social media has been able to establish itself as a very formidable platform for various intentions of communications on the internet. Beside the more obvious reason of being able to create the visibility for the business, product or service the individual is offering, there is also the effectiveness of being able to create buzz around the said element to get even more interest in the individual site. The form of advertising can help to create a very effective and instant way of establishing a brand and raising the awareness of its existence. The social media platform also provides the mean to monitor the competitor current pursuit and undertaking and help the individual to make the necessary adjustment to his or her one side to stay competitive too. This is also better facilitated due to the fact that actually advertising the rather limited and the focus is more on the actual exchange of information, comments and opinion, which is usually popularly done with tools such as Twitter, YouTube, Facebook and other such platforms. The perception of being involved on a more personal level allow social media and distinction from the context style that also have the same and intention of promoting and creating visibility for the business entity to be most time better received by the message. Thus, by tapping into the social media platform, there are infinite opportunity to the ensure the Indo-based choose and to have better chance of success because of the visibility this total create. Chapter 3. Using content. Synopsis. In order to be able to create a visually need to stand out in the online area and content, design has to have all the elements that would create the interest to ensure the views stay long enough to feel impacted in the being present. Therefore, having well-designed content material is very important element to consider when trying to stable in relevance of a site. Content. Researching for information and finding out what are current interests of the general viewing population is one way of making an informed decision on how we create a content for the intent sites posting. When this clearly outlined, then the process of creating the content can be embarked upon. Efforts must be put into ensure the information being outlined to the content is not only interesting but has some accuracy and to it. Simply curating out information to make of the content without proper verification will only create negative feedback and eventually cause the viewing traffic to stop visiting the site. This can have a detrimental effort to the site extents, and when it is happen, it is often very difficult to reestablish some form of interest in the site again. When the site's content is well through of the design, it also helps to establish the individual and business as a serious entity and a formidable force that has the capability of garnering the desired interest through directing traffic to the site. The intention of having healthy percentage of traffic directed to the site would to be ensure the possibility of earning revenue through the converging of the view into the loyal customer. In almost all cause this is the end desired targeted. Therefore, with this well-established site solely based on the content material, the individual is able to getting the online business visibility enough to ensure comfortable revenue or Chapter 4. Using a press release. Synopsis. For some, this may be rather new way of going about getting the business side to the attention of the viewing public, exploring the possibility that can be are necessary by the use press release tool. Individual may be able to enjoy the result of the advertising platform it presents. Press. The following are some reasons the press release style should be considered for it innovative and fair reaching possibility. Press release help to create the frame presence of the brand online business more often than not is directly targeted to the integrity of the business endeavors, the ensuring the legitimacy of the content. This also adequately get the attention of all who are previous to cross internet platform. Substantially, increasing the visibility of the business online is also another reason to use tips press release tools. The benefit of publishing something online would is in all probability including to lower cost issues compared to the more conventional way of organizing a press release. The basis of the success would be through the relevant and popular keywords being included into the content of the press release, thus ensuring the intent traffic will be efficiently direct to the site of the launch. With the keyword is intended target audience can be easily reached and eventually convert to the loyal customer, therefore ideally creating a revenue earning possibility. All this in turn will contribute to the better SEO ranking, which in itself is other beneficial factor. Being well ranked will help to increasing even more traffic to the site, thus exchanging the visibility factor, which is the target of the whole press release exercise. In some cases, the feed traffic is better than paid ones, and this can be sourced through the various press release directories where the campaign can be posted. For Chapter 5. Buying ads. Synopsis. There are several different types of ads that can be purchased for the future expose of the intent site to the target audience. However, the using this platform, the individual should be aware of the different style and it is benefit or non beneficial so future. Ads. Ads have always and will always been effective was disseminate information to the message at any given time. However, one should be careful in how to handle the advertising campaign to ensure the ads don't become nuisance interest of the advantage to the viewing audience. Other visitors to the site are the bombarded with unnecessary ads which interested of the creating a curiosity in the individual viewers. It acts to turn the views from the ad being featured the effectively making and camping a failure. Buying one-way ad link that are less intrusive may be better alternative and it is less like to cause the view to the irritated and thus turned off. The main idea behind the ad is to effectively and quickly get the information across to the view within the small window of time usually allotted by the view's concentration span, making the ads clear and concise yet attention grabbing with all the right information, clear depicted enable to view to make quick judgment to the venture feature into the site, including video graphics that are not too overwhelming. Animation are actually quite a welcomed feature for most view participants as they often find medium to be quite a reference refresh engaging. However, This can quite costly, and the additional therefore is it needed to be careful, consider and design it well. This is to ensure optimizations that will justify the high cost of using the particular tool, the heighten the visibility of the endeavor's future. Chapter 6, Free Arts. Synopsis. The obvious reason to use a platform is as it depicts it is free. However, just because something is free does not mean it is good. But this is the exception, as a free arts does have it is one individual unique merit is free stuff. The following are some point to consider the highlights or merit of using free arts. It is free. When there are no charging involved and no string attached, there is nothing more attractive than being able to tap into the area and create a presence of the product, service, or business online. The cost saved through using this form of advertising can then be put into something else that would contribute positively to the overall business entity. Using the classified link with the relevant information for the viewers to click on the order to understanding and view more things that are being offered is also something that should be included. This will satisfy the ultimate goal of drawing traffic to the site and also creating the possibility of encouraging the views to eventually become loyal customers. The time saving element is also another plus point to using their free ads. It requires none of more conventional method of posting information and can be done online for fraction of the time and effort when comparison and made to other forms of listening. Being easy to join and submit is a feature that is important when it comes to any enticing potential user up to of this method. This platform also provided for the ideal scenario to reach market that would otherwise have not been possible to reach. The huge global market that can be assured of the viewing experience is simple due to the availability of such an attractive tools and phenomenal. However, one should always consider the quality of the posting which should be neglected just because it is. Chapter 7. How your business suffer if you don't have customers. Synopsis. Obvious or not, statement is nothing to put aside as it is a knowing and accepted fact that all business require the participation of customer one some level of another in order to ensure it is success. Therefore, the aspiring new business owner should take the matter into serious consideration and do all that it takes to keep the customer base interested and happy. Finally, tips. There are several internet marketing tools available that specifically address the need to garner and keep customer. These tools should be careful, examined and chosen for its merit and contributing elements. The tool chosen should also be fitting to the particular business endeavors it is meant to serve. In order to ensure that proposed business endeavors will be well received, it could be also best interesting to the potential business owner to do some research of the acceptance relation of the buying publish agent products being touted. Launching an item that is not going to be well received would be the same as heading into the business and failing even before it takes off. Therefore, it is important to ensure whatever is being sold through it online business is going to be greeted with a ready base of pre-existing customer. Once this has been firmly established, the next step would be to consider the means of getting this customer without having to incur cost that would be to hire beer for the startup online business. Understanding the customer need and want at the time would help to ensure that they are being adequately addressed through the purchase of that item within the online business endeavors of the effectively and completely as assuring business offset group of customers. Warping obvious or not, this statement is nothing to put aside, as it is known and accepted fact that all business require the participant of customer on some level or another in order to ensure it is success. Therefore, in aspiring new business owner should take the matter into serious consideration and do all that it takes to keep the customer base interested and happy.